All right, today we're going to bring a T-cell system. This is for a salt water pool chlorinator system. So you have to have a right unit to actually be compatible with this. Now, I'm going to list a couple of systems that are compatible with this system. It's very simple to install. This is actually a replacement of your current one that you have, or if you don't have one, if you want to modify it, you can change it. Now, this whole system is included with the actual manual, the actual, this is to pull out any hair or anything that clogs the actual system. You can run this through it. They give you two O-rings, and of course they give the plug that you have to plug it into the salt chlorinator generator that's going to create the cycle system. So if you don't have that system, that's a different module. It's not included here. This is pretty much a replacement. All right, what's included, these are the two unions on each side, if you guys can see. So the system that has the chlorinator generator, it's going to require 120 volts. So just be aware that system needs to be powered in order to actually make the system compatible with it. If you get an indicator system on the actual generator, it's going to indicate a calcium buildup, and pretty much this is where this system comes in. You have to unclog the stuff. Sometimes you get other things clogged in here too. Also, just be aware of that. Now they do give you an extra long slack, all right, for the extra connection. This system is made rated for 40,000 gallons of water. Now they do give you the T15 connection here that you're going to need the actual generator to connect it. And like I said, if you get calcium buildup, this is what it is, the module for, right? And of course the O-rings, because this is necessary so the water won't leak out. Make sure that you replace these once in a while. They do sell them separately too also. Well, when it's times to maintenance this, they sell a GLX cell stand, and you could compatible with it, so you put all your liquids and your acids in here too. That's another compatibility they have. So if you're looking for the right replacement for your pool, this could be it. They have smaller modules for smaller pools also too, but like I said, this is going to be a heavy duty system. Now, a lot of things are not included in here, including the generator, including the actual module to attach for any kind of maintenance on it. Pretty much this is a one time, one stop for it. Very simple, easy to install. I hope you guys enjoy the video.